Hey guys, today we're going to show you exactly what comes with your Railio order and how to assemble your Railio bar. So what we see in front of you will be included in your Railio package. We have the two bumpers that's included with every order. We've got the set of two front brackets. We've got our two back brackets, our hardware, and then the bar itself. Everything with your Railio can be installed with a 3/16 Allen key or hex key, depending on how you call it. So to assemble your Railio, it's really easy. Your first step is actually just going to be to grab one of the back brackets, one of the front brackets. We're going to grab two of the screws here, and you simply take your back bracket, place it underneath your front bracket, and we're going to screw those together. Nice and easy. So let's use the Allen key to tighten things up. And at this point, we can leave things a little bit loose because it's actually going to help you to install your Railio on your balcony. I'm going to place this one just underneath the bar here, just to give me some height to actually attach your bracket to your Railio. Again, we've got two holes within the bar here that are going to line up to the two top holes of your front bracket. Again, we're just going to screw these in together. Nice and easy. And then we'll use the Allen key to tighten everything up. There we go. There we are. And the final step is actually just to take the bumper. And you'll see we've got one last hole here on the front bracket. It fits in and screws in nicely right there. So the first time you're setting up your rail, you're actually just going to want to screw this in a little bit further than is needed. So it'll help you install your Railio. And that's it. Now, we have built Railio so that it will install on a railing as wide as 4.5 inches or as thin as 1 inch. So for those of you who have a wider railing that you're installing on, we're actually going to set up the back bracket as so, angle it this way. If you've got a thinner railing though, 1.5 inch to about 2.5 inches, you can actually just turn it around and install it as so. So this will help you snug things up on the railing. We have a full installation video that you guys can reference as well on how to actually set up your Railio on your patio balcony. Check that out for those details. Again, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon.